Hello, good day. My name's Ahmed Baba Yusuf. I live in Gwale local government, precisely Kano State. I'm into poultry farming. That's livestock. It is a business that I had been doing for the past 7 years. I invested almost 850,000 naira, and I also earned almost 250,000 naira monthly, which is equivalent to total amount of 3 million naira per year in a year. Lack of financial freedom is what made me set back on my business. It is a business that I love a lot, that helped me with the meal of my family. I also enjoyed that business. I made a lot of money out of it. I built a house with that business. So due to lack of financial freedom right now that I'm facing is what made me to be earning very low amount of money. But I'll be glad if I can get assistance to continue with my business, which I love doing so much. Please kindly assist me. Thank you.